Do you want to share just briefly about your compelling story of not today? I love that story. I absolutely love that story. Okay.
Not today.
Not today.
Yeah, not today. So here's the thing, PB. I wonder if your listeners will be able to relate to what I'm saying. I suspect that they probably will. So for a long time, I did what was expected of me. You know how you go to school, you go to university, you get the job, you get another job. I lived a life that was pretty much expected of me. And I had a good life on paper, honestly. But in the journey of building a corporate career, because I worked for some of the most, you've actually read out a few, some of the most recognizable global brands in the world. But in the journey of building a corporate career, I lost myself. I lost who I was at the soul of my being.
Wow.
And I've pretty much just followed a pattern, a set out pattern
that was expected of you.
A script that was expected of me. And as I said, in building that corporate dream, I lost myself. I lost my zest for life. I lost my mission in life. I lost me.
Wow.
And I didn't know because of a lack of self-awareness, because of a lack of self-discovery, I didn't know what I was going through. All I knew was what I felt. And I felt that there was something missing in my life.
Wow.
Right. So what I would do, PBs, I would go and get a different job. I would imagine that what will solve the problem is a new team, a new CEO, a new organization, a new company, a new sector. But here's the thing, PB, as I move from one role to another, the one person that I took with me from one role to another
was you. I remember you saying that. That was so funny. That the constant in all those places was you.
That's the first lesson, PB. If everything around you keeps going wrong, you may want to check yourself. It may just be you.
Just be you. Yes, yes.